హాయ్ హలో అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ దివ్య. బ్యూటీకి కేర్ ఆఫ్ అడ్రస్గా అండ్ హాట్ స్టిల్స్తో అదరకొడుతున్న లేటెస్ట్ హీరోయిన్ అప్కమింగ్ థ్రిల్లర్తో మనల్ని ఎంతగా థ్రిల్ చేస్తుందో తెలుసుకుందాం. వెల్కమ్ టు అంకిత్ మహారాణా. కానీ ఇప్పుడు నేమ్ చేంజ్ చేసుకుంది, అప్సరా రాణిగా మన ముందుకు వచ్చింది. హాయ్.
హాయ్.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్. ఎలా ఉన్నారు? I know Telugu, see.
So I just wanted to test your Telugu skills.
I know I'm learning and I can understand also a little bit.
Okay. So మీరు ఏం చేస్తుంటారు? You understand?
No. ఏం చేస్తుంటారు means?
I just asked what are you doing?
Okay. I'm doing good and I'm very excited for my release and my debut in so many languages. So actually I didn't know so many languages are happening. It was a surprise for me
Surprise
also.
for
Yeah.
you in Corona time.
Yeah.
Especially.
Yeah. So I hope it goes well.
So are you not scared of this pandemic?
See, I was scared for starting 3 months and I was locked at home.
Okay.
And when I got to come to Hyderabad, I didn't come by flight because I was so scared. From Bangalore, we came by road.
Okay.
We traveled, and when I came out, I was like, wow, roads, hava. And I was so happy. Me and my mom, we came like that, and it felt so good. Then after that, I was like, okay. And we had limited people in our team working.
Yeah.
And they were all corona tested negative, and when I came we all tested, so we were working in a very small group and outskirts, not here.
Okay.
So it felt safe, and till now I'm here. It's been more than a month. I'm safe.
Yeah, you are feeling safe here.
Yeah, and good things are happening, so I'm not thinking about bad things.
So because of this Corona, you got more advantage. Do you think like that?
Actually,
Maybe
this
you
was
have back-to-back films in a row. You know,
Yeah.
you are working where no one can else do like that.
I think now shoots have started, no?
A little bit.
A little bit, okay. So actually this was supposed to start in Feb, but it delayed because of Corona.
Yes.
Yeah. So it is equally beneficial. If it is beneficial, it was bad also. Like, you know, we all suffered.
So shall we start with thriller?
Yes.
So you are going to thrillers or thriller film going to thrillers?
I'm going to thrill everyone through thriller.
The best answer.
Thank you.
Okay. So, do you like Ankita or this Apsara Rani?
I'm Apsara now.
Yeah.
Yes. Call me Apsara. If you call me Ankita, I will not even listen.
So, did you get the name yourself or RGV gave you this name?
It was gifted by him, and to be very honest, I never liked Ankita. I used to fight with my dad because it's a very common name, and I never liked it because even in school there were like 4 or 5 Ankita in one class.
Ooh.
So I've never heard this name Apsara, and I loved it. And now onwards, all my life, I'm gonna keep that name.
You loved it actually.
Yes, I loved it so much
Because gifted by RGV or yourself you liked the name?
because gifted by him.
So,
I like the name, but that comes secondary for me because it was gifted from him, and I consider him as my mentor, and he's really nice. So that's why I was like, yes.
how is working with RGV?
Very good experience. I learned so much in my life. Like, this is something I want to do. I want to get into films. I want to learn how films work. I'm so interested into direction also.
Okay.
So I was, keen to know, sir, how is this working? How is this happening? And so I was so interested all the time. Fully my brains were occupied. So I loved it.
So your first film was Ulala, right?
No, it was 4 letters.
Acha, okay.
And then I did this, and then that's how I got this.
Okay, in the first film, how was your journey? How was your experience?
Experience was good. So when I started, first day I had to talk in Telugu, and first day I was very nervous, and but slowly, things I started learning first because I've never learned acting, and I'm an engineer. Like, I've done engineering, so no way that I can be an actor and do so great. So first day I was scared, but I think that was all my preparation for this
Yeah.
film. And I think this film is the main where you can see my performance and where I have been shown, like, properly. Because obviously RGV, sir, for him, he values heroines so much in a film. We've seen that from very beginning. So I think he has definitely put me in such good scenes and shown me in such a good way that that'll be great for me.
So how is your journey with RGV and how it started?
So I was performing on stage.
I saw that.
Yeah, and I never thought, I thought ki, big directors will just come and go. So actually, he was going to leave in 5-10 minutes, is what he told me. He was going to leave. And because he saw my performance, he sat there for 3 hours in the whole this thing, 2-3 hours. And then later after the dance, he gave me his number and I got in touch with him and then he told me the story and then I was like, wow.
మీతో పాటు డాన్స్ చేశారు కదా, దట్ వాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ అమేజింగ్ అండ్ షాకింగ్ థింగ్ వి ఎవర్ సా ఆన్లైన్. So that was the first time we saw RGV dancing with a heroine. So how did
when
you feel?
he danced?
Yeah, RGV is famous for direction, but
Okay.
apart from this, he was dancing. So he
Okay.
was enjoying your dance and all.
No, but not on my. I think his movie was also releasing. One of his movies, Beautiful.
Okay.
There he must be. Here he was just the guest.
Oh.
And when I got his number, I was like, "Sir, can I have a selfie with you?" Because on his speech, he praised he was like, "Your performance is amazing," and everything he said. So I thought ki maybe I can get a selfie because he praised my performance. Like, no, you give me your number. I'm like, wow, he didn't give me selfie, but he gave me his number, and then that's how I got this.
So you are doing your second film with RGV. How is the feeling?
The Dangerous?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the feeling is very good and I'm so happy the kind of subject that I've got. Not everybody will choose to do it and it's something that, a lot of people might not like it also because of the mentality the society has. But I was into modeling and I had a lot of gay friends. So I've seen they don't get equal recognition and equal, I think, respect in the society. They're treated bad. So I was happy doing this.
So do you like lesbians or gays? You're
I'm
comfortable with whom?
I'm comfortable with both.
Okay.
They are also like how I'm sitting with you and talking, I can just sit with them and talk like this. So I have a very close friend of mine who's a gay and he lives in Bangalore. He's also, he does backstage management and modeling and stuff. Okay. So he's also a gay and I talked to him, like I spoke to him about his life and how everything goes. So he was telling me that it is difficult to find someone in life and he's single and he thinks, he was saying guys thinks ki I'm just gonna go and flirt with anybody. But it's not like that. How I'm gonna choose someone very wisely and how a person is. He's also like that. But people think wrong about the LGBTQ community and I want to change that if I wish I can.
Great to know that. And one more thing, we will talk about the thriller film.
Yes.
So how demanding is your role in the thriller?
Very demanding and my role, my performance, my looks and my body, my fitness, everything, like I think everything that I could offer has been offered on screen. Sir has not even kept like one thing that could have been left out. Nothing is left out. It is so good that I watched it with the sound and everything last night.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was getting goosebumps. I was like, wow, this is so good. I was so excited.
So you like the whole output?
Yes. It's amazing. I love it.
So in future projects, what would be the roles? Like, you're expecting a good role, decent role or bold roles. Which one you prefer?
So that depends on the story. See, if I like a story, bold and decent roles, I think for an actor, that shouldn't be a criteria to choose. For an actor, how the script is, and I think that should be a criteria to choose, and that's for me. And I think for me, my importance on screen, because RGV sir has given me a lot of importance in the whole film. So I would choose something that has my importance, a lot of my importance. Hi, I'm Apsara Rani. Please subscribe to Mirror TV.